Hey guys, welcome to the introduction video of Object Placement Tool. Object Placement Toolkit is yet another wonderful asset from Black Gear Studios. Now let me quickly go through what Object Placement Toolkit actually offers. Object Placement Toolkit is a procedural object placement tool that simplifies runtime placement of objects using a set of procedures. This means that you can use Object Placement Toolkit as a tool to create props and scenes for any game that needs props to be random or need to be randomly placed around an area or a volume of mesh carried by a set of procedures. You might be wondering what all this means. Let me start to show you by showing you a demo scene that has been included with the project. Now here's a scene that has been included in the project. The scene contains a plane and a sphere. My objective is to place palm trees on the surface of the plane and to place mushroom on the surface of the sphere. When I hit the play button, I can see that everything I want is clearly generated. If I hit the hit and reset mushroom button, a new pool of the thing is getting generated. If I hit the reset world button, a new type of world is getting generated every time. But notice the pattern. It always follows the same procedures every time. Let me show you another example scene that I had created using this tool. Now here's an infinite runner sort of a game. The props around here are created procedurally using the script I had shown you earlier. There is no memory lag because it uses and reuses the same objects that had been created earlier. This technique is a technique known as object pooling. Now let me show you what all I had to do to create this thing. The only thing I had to do is to place the geometry where I wanted my things to be created and then place the track obstacle script which has been included with the project. Then what I had to do is to add the objects that I want to be instantiated on this geometry. Then using the add procedures button, I am able to add what sort of procedures I want them to follow. This is all what I need to do to create things at runtime. The next thing, the last and the foremost thing that I need to do is to use the function called the function to create all these things. I'm calling this function from the UI script. What I'm just doing is using the track obstacle recycle of the track obstacle instance script, and I'm calling its recycle function and the seed obstacle function. The recycle function does what is, it just deletes it is just a shortcut for deleting everything that it had already instantiated before, and the seed obstacle does what is to create instantiate objects on its geometry and follow the same procedures given in the script. If you have any comments, questions, and further if you want to know any further details on the toolkit, you can contact me in the link below. If you want any other further features to be included, you can also contact me for that. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching.